What is up, you guys? My name is Blitz version 1. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the final day of Reaction Week. This is day 7, so it's episode 7. And we're doing another Felix. We're doing another PewDiePIe episode. I was laughing so hard at the bottle flip challenge when I had to do one more. And this one, I just caught my eye, because it always catches my eye, because the thumbnails are really important when it comes to YouTube, because if they catch your eye, you usually click on it. That's why I try and make my thumbnails really interesting or really different. And some say I'm not original with my thumbnails, but you know what? So sue me if I don't like to constantly just put a picture of my face with words. Okay? I'm sorry, but that's not how I do. Because those, to me, those are kind of boring. I like to put something cool up, or something phenomenal, or something neat, or just show how good I am with editing software sometimes. I don't know. I mean, but still. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and do this because it kept catching my eye. I kept seeing it, and I just didn't know if I wanted to do a video to it or not. And I figured, what the hell? So here we go.
Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePIe. I moved office again, as you can see, for another time. I'm in this new space. It's pretty cool. It's my own space. It's definitely my place.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
This is mine! My padded cell.
I knew you were insane. I knew you were one of those people with that. We're gonna do 5 weird stuff online with Jackson.
Featuring Jackson.
Item number 1.
The green PewDiePIe.
I don't know. Let's go with the biggest. I have this bag of a bunch of shit I bought online.
Oh my god, Santa is Rama.
Oh my god.
Yeah, let's start with something lame, but I kind of want to try it out.
What's it called? Airzuka!
Yeah!
It's like twice the size of that kid.
Yeah, I feel like the scale is not
Perspective.
not that. So this is an bazooka. Oh, this seems like too much effort to put together.
No, it looks cool. What the fuck is all this?
Oh, I know what that is. Okay.
It does, yeah, actually.
I know what that is.
Are you ready to get air zook? What are you doing?
I'm zooking. Bazinga.
Bazinga! Are you ready to get air zooking, bruh?
No, you have to pull like this.
I know that. Oh shit! Okay, I get it. How close?
I don't know.
Are you scared
Like
now, Vaughn?
like
You were making fun of it before. I can see your stupid face through here as well.
Oh my god!
Was it bad?
Boom!
Oh shit! No! Okay, hit me, bro. Hit me. I'm ready, boy. I'm ready.
You blink, you lose.
This thing fucking sucks! Ah! Oh, thank God there's a cover here. Did you break it for real?
No, oh yeah. That works really well.
Do it. Jesus Christ.
It's the sound as well.
Yeah, it kind of scares you. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, don't look at me.
How do I look like?
Oh, so fucking weird. Come close to the camera.
I can't see anything.
Okay, too close, too close. You're good. Oh my god.
I can't even see myself through the. Oh my God! Your outfit?
Really nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, very flowy.
Very nice. I like it.
Very nice.
Oh, chest.
When you took it on, I was remembering when I was 5 at kindergarten, I played Peter Pan.
Oh.
Yeah? And I had exactly that outfit, but it was borrowed. So I was like, well, it's not mine, so should I remove my underwear?
What?
I don't know. I was like, it's kind of gross.
That's more gross.
I know, I didn't think I was a kid, okay? So I went naked out on stage with it.
With like this?
Yes!
Oh, bold move.
Hell yeah. Alright, let's see what we have here.
Oh, I think I saw something in there. I'm excited.
What did you see?
I'm not telling.
I'm not telling.
I'm not telling you, Felix. I want board game!
Boy game?
The board game, yeah, sure. Just roughing your beard.
Shut up!
The hell?
What?
Don't you worry, PewDiePIe. I got the Robo Twist.
Oh my
It
god!
can twist anything. It probably needs batteries, I just realized.
I'm excited for this one. If
Yeah.
only it was like a drone that like flew down onto it. Then you could twist.
There will be no effort
If
whatsoever.
only we had another robo twist to get the box open.
Alright, you ready? Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Calm down, robo twist.
Stop twisting, Robo Twist! There's no stop.
Fucking machines, you can't trust him.
Alright. Ah!
It's like fucking...
How does it work?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Robo twist!
Robo Twist!
Oh, there it goes.
Robo Twist! Robo Twist! Robo Twist!
Oh my god, you guys.
Oh! Oh!
I was almost expecting this whole thing to shatter in our hands.
It's not stopping!
It just wants to keep on twisting.
on doing it!
It's just gonna crush it.
Ah!
Nipple twist! That was amazing.
What could possibly beat that item?
What beats
Who
it?
fucking knows?
I've been wanting to use these for a long time. Since we have matching outfits and all,
Yes!
we get matching
Automatons.
Automatons.
That's what I saw in the box, and I'm so fucking happy. Except we might need batteries.
we need batteries for these as well?
Yeah.
Oh. Fuck. Jacksepticeye. I can play myself.
You cursing me out?
No. He's a bitch. Jesus Christ. So what's more annoying than two loud ass YouTubers?
That is awesome.
It's like I'm looking into an audio mirror.
Oh my god, stop! Jesus Christ. We have to play
Oh
something
my
together.
god.
I don't know.
Whoa! That was jamming.
There was a Zelda thing I learned.
What the fuck is that?
Ah!
Do it again.
Aren't you Sweden's #1 orchestra player?
That I am, thank you.
They're so fucking cute, though.
Oh my god. Oh Jesus.
What could possibly be better? Oh shit, I realized I have fucking wings and shit. Jack, do you like...
Random out of nowhere. Thunk.
No.
Well, I have something for you.
Whoa! The lazy readers!
The Lazy Raiders.
What the fuck are the lazy readers? Are they mirror glasses?
They are mirror glasses, boy. They match
What?
your outfit.
Oh my god, that's so weird. I'm like walking and looking at my own feet.
I see.
Can you see?
Wait, oh, I gotta show you. You see your fucking...
Can you see me, boy? I don't know if you can see because of the
Probably...
lights.
Oh, I see, I see. Yeah.
There we go. That's so
Those are
weird.
so weird.
Whoa!
And they're
It's
so
like I'm playing a video game.
they're so clear as well.
I see my knob as well. That's great. Oh, hell yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. This is awesome. Wait, alright.
Oh my god.
This
Oh
one I
god,
bought.
that's weird.
It had bad reviews. Stop doing that. It's so fucking creepy. Oh shit. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Hell yeah.
You have wings now, so it doesn't work. That's really fucking cool.
Oh. Alright, pass it along. You ready for the pass along?
Now we're just holding hands.
You ready for the pass along? You get. Whoa! Back at it again! We do like that! The last item.
That's fucking trippy.
The last item, Jack. Are you ready?
I am. Love this. Totally life-changing bra.
Life-changing bra. Well, we're just gonna have to see about that.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Actual bra.
Yeah, I don't know what your size. I went with A cup.
Yeah, that's probably accurate.
Ew.
What the
Oh, no. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah. Well, this just became really gay.
PewDiePIe channel, 2017.
Do you need help with that? You look like a Hawaiian girl or something.
These are my coconuts.
Alright, well that was...
This is YouTube 2017. Loud noises and nudity.
Leave a like and check out Jack for some reason if you haven't. And as always, Sister Fister.
What does it sound like when 1,000 Jacksepticeyes get together?
That is a really cool little toy.
It's Drew Sandstorm.
Surely we can figure out how to play. Oh, that was the right tune.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
We'll take it!
What the fuck? Okay, that's the end. That was trippy as fuck. Okay, well, hell. That was the most annoying sound in the world, apparently. I think I got that little bastard finally. There's been a gnat flying around here bugging me this entire video. But yes, that wraps up another great, fantastic edition of Reaction Week. As far as I know, you guys are doing great, and you guys are loving these, because, or at least you guys are loving the ones to the big YouTubers, such as Jack and PewDiePie. And noticing you guys, not very many people watched the deal with the weird, I don't blame you, the weird kids show thing. That's just really weird, but I don't know if I'm doing any of those unless you guys want to see some more of those. But I'm thinking about doing some more stuff for current gameplays, because show Ethan some more love, because he's still trying to get a foothold, and he's a little further, he's a lot further along than I am, but at the same time, he's still there. So he's still trying, he's still being really cool with it. So all that being said, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, as always, you guys got any other ideas for next month's reaction week, or anything else you guys want me to react to us at a certain time or a certain video? Feel free to put that in the comment section down below. That way I know what you guys want to see. I have an actual playlist style thing. I've got 3 videos in it right now of just random stuff that I've seen. But yeah, feel free to put it in. I'll definitely look that stuff up. When I find it, I'll throw it in that playlist, and at the beginning of the month, I've got plenty of stuff to react to. So all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and of course, check out another one of these cool videos that I've done, in the past. One side of the screen in my outro credits going to be one thing that I've done, and the other side of the screen is going to be something else that I've done. I never know which side of the screen it's going to be on. One side is going to be something I choose, and one side is going to be something that YouTube chooses. So all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And peace.